In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily extract your recipes from a Microsoft Word document, plain text files, or PDFs. To get started, you're going to want to head to ImportMyRecipes. To begin, you're going to want to purchase credits. 1 credit is good for 1 extraction for 1 recipe. You will see the number of credits you have available. So I have 684 credits, which means I could extract 684 recipes. You have 2 free credits on your account to get started, but from there you will need to purchase a bundle of credits here. Once you have purchased those credits, you can choose a file. So you'll come in, find the file with your recipes, and select Open. Now I can see that file has been attached, and from there I will click Import Document. This is going to extract those recipes from the document and will just take a couple of minutes. You can see the recipes extracting, you can see the title showing up, and from there you'll be able to export them into your recipe box. Once all those recipes have been extracted from your document, you will see this page here that breaks down the different recipes that you have. From here you will send those recipes to your recipe box. And I can also see the number of credits that are being used and the number I have available. I'm going to click Send 10 Recipes to Recipe Box and select OK. From here you can either import more recipes or you can head to your cookbook. I'm going to head to my cookbook and view those recipes in my recipe box. From here I can come to Recipe Box and I can see all of these recipes showing up here, and if you need to assign them to a new category, you can easily do that by coming through and selecting the ones you would like to assign to a new category. Come up here and click Batch Actions, Assign to Category, and I'm going to put them in my main dishes section. I'll then select Set Category. From here, I can easily view what is and what is not in my book. So these recipes are already in the book. These have yet to be added. I can select this Select All button, Batch Actions, Add to Book to easily import them into my current book. You'll select one layout for now and click Next. From here you'll select if you want them to go into their proper categories or if you just want them at the end of the book, and if you would like us to add in those continuation pages for you. From there you'll click Next and then Create Pages. This is going to import all those recipes into my book for me, and from there I can easily go through and change layouts if needed, play around with the fonts, as well as add photos in as necessary. So that's an easy way to get your book started, and then from there you just have some design work. As always, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@CreateMyCookbook.com, and we will be able to assist you.